Hi, this is Trevor Conkergood. Welcome to this week's RNK Software Club's video for the week. And our topic for this week is about the You Design It tool, and specifically how to add new collections. And notice that when I open up my You Design It tool, that it starts out with the monsters, but there are other collections, and you can see I have one installed called Clothesline. And now all of the options come from this collection of different types of clothesline, embroidery patterns. And basically, this is one of the You Design It collections. And so now that you know a little bit about what the You Design It tool is, how do you add new collections so that they become available from the list on the left? Well, the answer to that is found under the File drop down menu at the top of your FTCU software. Just click on File and scroll down to where it says Import You Design It Gallery. And when you click on that, a window opens up and it's going to allow you to browse to any location in your computer. And so if you've purchased a You Design It collection, you may have it on a disk or you may have it on a USB stick. And essentially, you need to point this window to wherever you have those files. And in my case, I have that on a folder on my computer. And so you can see in here that these are different You Design It collections that I could install. And so why don't we go ahead and select one of them, Stick Figures, and choose Open. And immediately I'm told that it was successfully imported. And so basically, it's as easy as that. Now, if I use my You Design It tool, notice that when I go to the option at the top left, I can change to a new collection that's called Stick Figures. And so, of course, what happens is it updates to the stick figure, embroidery designs. And in this case, you're going to choose the bottom of the person, and then you're going to create a stick figure. So you get to decide what kind of top they have on. And all of the elements can be found from on the right. So once you choose stick figures, then on the right, you can choose, you know, the head next, for example, and it'll show you all the different head shapes. And then you can say, well, specifically show me their faces. And now you can choose from, your different face options, and you'll do the left hand and the right hand until you finally kind of finish designing your little person, and even left ears and right ears. So you get to really customize your stick figure. And so this is kind of how it works. Of course, you can always just click play and let the You Design It tool create little stick figure people for you at random from the different options. And of course, you can stop that and go to the previous one because maybe that's the one you really loved. And then, whatever it is, if you like it, you click OK. So, really, the question for today is how do you add a new collection? And the answer to that is found in your File drop down menu where you choose Import You Design It Gallery. And from there, you browse to wherever you have them, maybe on a USB or on a CD drive. But wherever it is, you select that. And now you come into, select the file. They will be an extension .udi, and that's for the You Design It collections. And basically, you just select it and click Open to install it. And once you get the message that says the gallery was imported successfully, then it will be a new gallery or a new collection that you can choose from your You Design It tool. And so now you can see we have the kids pockets one, and you can choose your pocket and choose your pocket topper, and it can be just as easy as that. So that's how you can add new You Design It collections to your Floriani software. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks very much for listening, and bye for now.